Hello, fellow explorers. Welcome to the Trendsetters. Today, we'll talk about some important travel insurance tips. Whether you're organizing a last-minute vacation or a carefully thought-out trip, having the appropriate insurance coverage is essential. We'll be giving you insider knowledge and professional pointers in this video to help you navigate the world of travel insurance and make sure you're ready for any unforeseen scenarios. We can help you with anything from comprehending the various forms of coverage to choosing the best plan for your requirements. But before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. We will make more videos on interesting topics in the future, so if you want to see them, subscribe to our channel. Grab some paper and a pen, because you won't want to miss these insightful ideas. Come on, let's get started. Number 1. Understanding travel insurance. Travel insurance is a type of insurance coverage that offers people financial security and support while they are on the road. It often pays for costs associated with trip interruption or cancellation, medical problems, lost or delayed baggage, and other unanticipated occurrences that could happen while traveling. In terms of coverage limits, deductibles, and specific situations covered, travel insurance policies can differ. Before making a purchase, travelers must carefully check the policy's terms and conditions to make sure they are satisfied. In the event of unplanned events while traveling, travel insurance offers peace of mind by providing financial aid and assistance. Number 2. Research and compare policies. Depending on the provider and the particular coverage options selected, travel insurance policies can differ significantly. Travel insurance providers frequently offer plans such as trip cancellation and interruption insurance, medical expense insurance, emergency medical evacuation insurance, baggage loss and delay insurance, and travel delay insurance. The coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions should all be taken into account when comparing insurance. Some policies could offer greater maximums for medical expense coverage or extra perks, such protection for adventure sports or pre-existing medical issues. The amount of out-of-pocket spending you might incur prior to the insurance coverage taking effect can vary depending on the deductibles. Exclusions should also be carefully read as they describe scenarios or events that the policy does not cover. Comparing the standing and financial soundness of insurance companies is also crucial. Look for businesses that have received positive customer feedback and have a track record of settling claims promptly and fairly. Finally, take into account the policy's price as well as any additional charges or add-on coverage options. It's crucial to achieve a balance between cost and the extent of the coverage offered. Number 3. Read the fine print. Before making a decision, it is crucial to thoroughly read the fine print when acquiring travel insurance. This small print, often known as the policy terms and conditions, offers crucial details on coverage, restrictions, and exclusions. You can understand what situations are covered, such as trip cancellation, medical problems, or missing baggage, and what situations might not be covered, by carefully going over these specifics. Be mindful of any particular conditions or evidence needed for claims, as well as any deductibles or caps on the dollar amount of coverage. Note any restrictions or exclusions related to pre-existing conditions as well. You can make an informed choice and ensure that you have the appropriate level of coverage for your trip's needs by reading the fine print. Number 4. Purchase insurance early. Offering your safety while traveling is essential, as is arming yourself with contingency plans. Making an early purchase of travel insurance is one way to achieve this. You can benefit from a number of advantages and peace of mind during your vacation by getting insurance well in advance. First off, getting insurance early gives you access to comprehensive coverage. This means that you are covered against trip interruption or cancellation, lost luggage, medical emergencies, and other potential hazards as soon as you plan your trip. Additionally, by purchasing insurance in advance, you have access to a greater range of alternatives and plans, ensuring that you obtain the coverage that is most suitable for your requirements and price range. Pre-existing medical condition coverage and financial security against unforeseen catastrophes are two additional advantages of purchasing travel insurance early. Additionally, it protects you from any modifications to travel advisories or unanticipated events that might occur after your purchase. Number 5. Pre-existing conditions. Depending on pre-existing conditions, travel insurance coverage could change. Chronic illnesses or earlier injuries are examples of pre-existing medical problems that may call for more coverage or exclusions. To ensure adequate coverage, it is essential to report any pre-existing ailments throughout the application process. Subject to a number of restrictions and requirements, Insurance companies may sell plans that cover pre-existing conditions. These could involve waiting periods, increased rates, or particular medical conditions. To properly grasp the scope of coverage for pre-existing conditions, it is crucial to carefully analyze the policy terms and conditions. Claims could be rejected if accurate information isn't disclosed. Number 6. Consider additional coverage. It's crucial to evaluate your unique demands and any potential dangers involved with your trip before seeking additional coverage through travel insurance. While the normal coverage of basic travel insurance extends to situations like trip cancellation, medical emergencies, and lost luggage, adding additional coverage can offer additional security and peace of mind. Travel medical insurance, which provides more comprehensive medical benefits, including emergency medical evacuation and repatriation, is one choice for supplemental coverage. This is especially crucial if you're traveling to a remote area or taking part in activities that carry more hazards. The travel interruption and cancellation coverage is another useful add-on. This safeguards your finances in case you have to postpone or cancel your trip due to unforeseen events, like a family emergency or a natural disaster. Consider hazardous activity coverage if you're intending on engaging in risky sports like skiing, scuba diving, or mountain climbing. This makes sure that you are covered in the event that any accidents or injuries resulting from these high-risk activities occur. Additionally, it's wise to research personal item coverage to safeguard against loss, theft, or damage if you're traveling with valuable equipment like cameras or laptops. The decision to purchase additional coverage ultimately comes down to your unique situation and the level of risk you are willing to accept. You can improve your coverage by evaluating your needs and speaking with a reliable travel insurance provider. Number 7. Maintain documentation. Keeping records for travel insurance is essential for a simple and trouble-free journey. It is advised to maintain a record of all necessary papers, such as your passport, visa, travel insurance policy, and any pertinent medical records. Maintaining receipts and evidence of purchase for any costly items you carry with you is also crucial. These papers will be required if there are any crises or unanticipated occurrences while you are traveling. It is recommended to keep hard copies and digital backups of these papers. By regularly organizing and updating your documentation, you can ensure that you always have quick access to the data you need, and that, should the need arise, the claims process will go more quickly. Keep in mind that comprehensive documentation might be your safety net while traveling and bring you peace of mind. Number 8. Understand the claims process. Finally, before you need to file a claim, get acquainted with the claims procedure. Take the time to comprehend the procedures and any documentation or supporting proof that may be required. By precisely and promptly filing a claim, you may speed up the process and ensure that you get the support and payment you require as soon as possible. In order to guarantee that policyholders are compensated for insured losses or expenses incurred while traveling, the claims procedure for travel insurance entails numerous procedures. Depending on the type of claim, the insured person usually needs to submit pertinent paperwork, such as receipts, medical records, or police reports. The claim must be filed within a set window of time, typically within a predetermined number of days following the occurrence or the conclusion of the trip. The insurance provider will examine the supporting documentation after the claim is submitted and determine whether it is valid. They might ask for more details if necessary. The insurer will decide the amount of compensation to be granted and start the payment procedure after the claim is authorized. I appreciate you joining me on this tour of crucial travel insurance advice. Keep in mind that a prepared traveler has more confidence. Research and compare insurance coverage to locate one that best meets your needs before starting on your next adventure. So that's all for today's video. We hope this video has been informative. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Trendsetters. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.